Okay, so we're now testing the Murphy base station CBH1500, which is the customer's repair. One with the dodgy meter, which is, yeah, I mean, it's reading a residual pile of rubbish, isn't it? So let's see how this one performs. See, Mr Chippie's in position. Tango 21, Mr Chippie, you're receiving over.
Tango 21, receiving loud and clear. As always, I'm at the end of the line.
Roger, got you at the end of the line.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station.
Right, we're now going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads. You're doing very well with the lights on these tests today.
Yeah, lucky or what? Right, just going to have the top of the hill to go down in towards Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, and a big forward-facing speaker always helps. This radio is doing a full 4 watts output.
Roger that, sounds great. Right, just going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn, over.
Roger, receiving you at the Kelby turn, over.
Passing the Greyleys turn.
Got you at the Greyleys turn, and this has worked very well over that one.
Level crossing, over.
Roger, got you going over Rawsby level crossing. That's fine, and that concludes the test, and no doubt you're going shopping over.
Roger that.
Okay, I'll see you back at Tango Towers later. Thank you very much.
Nice to listen to you guys.
Hello, Broker. What's your handle, over?
I ain't got an handle. I'm just on the CV and listen to you. I'm in Grantham anyway.
Okay, Roger on that. Right, I'm just going to do a final thing to our base station, so you can hear me do that one, over.
Okay, mate. Love you. Bye-bye.
10-10, Broker.
Tango 21, testing the Murphy CBH1500 base station into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and thank you for watching.
Coming through well.
Roger on that. What's your name anyway?
Paul.
Roger on that, Paul. You know my name's Richard if you've been watching the videos. And Mr Chippie's name's also Richard, over.